All right, guys, it's time to add in the flow. It is Wonderful Wednesday. Here we go. We're going to go through the reset into flow. So when you're resetting, we're going to rocking chair and then emergence. I'll back up a little bit so that you can see me. Here we go. Connect breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, feet firmly grounded into the earth. I am ready to follow the path of least resistance. Let's go through the stances. Reach your arms out, pull that energy in. I am willing. Shake your dice. I am willing to follow the path of least resistance. I am willing. Able stance. One hand on your heart. Breathe into it. One hand on your core. I am able to follow the path of least resistance. Reaching your arms up, plugging into universal life force energy. Ooh, I can feel that I did an upper body workout. I am worthy of releasing and letting go of all the things that no longer serve me and stepping onto my path of least resistance, safety shield, and it is safe for me to follow the path of least resistance and protect myself from those voices that tell me, no, this is the wrong direction. That's just the judge and the critic. Let them take a side seat outside of your personal office. Back to center, ready stance, the 8-part activation breath, 8 sniffs in through the nose, all one continual breath, 8 counts out through your nose or mouth, eyes closed. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Breathe in, 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 in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold at the top. Breathe out, 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 out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold at the base. Breathe in, 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 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Breathe out, 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 out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Return to your connect breath, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And our build and release is called adductor squeeze. This is about releasing tension from the nervous system at a very deep level. Adductor tension means that you're controlling, your body's needs to control and build up tension and be in that struggle mode. So we are going in with our adductors, squeezing the legs together like you're squeezing $1 million in between your knees and the wind's blowing and you don't want anyone to grab it. You can even place your hands on the outside of your knees and squeeze. Now it's really important to lift yourself out of your spine, tuck your chin, pull your navel in. Let's do some navel pulls here. Release, control, release, control. This is getting us ready for our upgrade on Friday. Release, control, release it, let it go, and then just wiggle, 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 happy puppy, releasing into a normal stance. Hands palm over palm on your navel, core compressing it out, anything that needs to go. Make sure that there's nothing in front of your head. Round yourself over your hands, and it's a deep breath in on the way up, deep breath out on the way down. Let go of that toxic energy. We're going to turn this into rocking chair, entering into the flow, come back up and spontaneously enter into rocking chair. Rock your pelvis forward and back and forward and back. Reset breath in and out through the mouth like you're blowing on a whistle, equally in and out. Let's really get into that sympathetic dominance right now and shift this into panting. Stick your tongue out. Maybe you can synchronize the movement with it, maybe not. If you need to stop and go into ready stance, just pant a little bit. Back to reset. Like you're blowing on a whistle. I am resetting my flow, following the path of ease. Turn this into emergence, which is dropping your heart down towards the earth and pressing back up like you're a plant growing out of the earth. You're pressing through and flowing with reset breath. Back to rocking chair. If you can, keep that reset breath going. And then come back to center. Let the energy work on you. Connect breath, long, deep breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Ready stance. I am ready to flow with life, to unfold, to follow the path of least resistance and my highest purpose. Clapping 3 times. Once you feel ready, close it out, and I will see you on Friday for your mind cleanse.